In previous class, I explained about square. The product obtained on multiplying a number itself is called square of that number. After that, I explained how to calculate square. Means square of any positive or negative number is always positive. I have given yesterday so many examples also. After that, I have started square root. What is square root? A number that when multiplied by itself gives the number is called square root. After that, I have explained how to calculate square root. Firstly, we have to check which number will multiply two times. Answer is coming same number, that is called square root. Now today we are going to learn methods to find square roots. How many methods are there to find square roots? There are two methods are there to find the square roots. First method is the prime factorization method. Second method is the division method or long division method. Left side keep heading. Left side keep heading. Methods to find square root. Left side keep heading. Methods to find. Methods to find methods to find square root. Methods to find square root. There are two methods. There are two methods to find square root. First method is prime factorization method. Second method is division method or long division method. Division method or long division method. Okay, first heading prime factorization method. Okay, first heading prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Already you know students what is prime factor concept. In previous class also I explained how to find factor and prime factor. What is the difference between factor and prime factor? If I am talking about prime factorization means firstly I want to divide by I want to divide that number by least prime number. Okay, one is not prime number, one is neither prime number nor composite number. Okay, least prime number is what? First least prime number is what? 2 is the first least prime number. One example I am writing. Find the square root of example 1. With the help of examples, you will understand very clearly. Don't worry. Example 1. Already prime factorization method concept already I explained in the previous class. Prime factorization means I want to divide that number by least prime number. Find the square root of don't write, listen carefully. Find the square root of don't write. Find the square root of 576 by prime factorization method. Don't write, student, concentrate here. How to calculate square root by using prime factorization method? Concentrate here. Prime factorization means I want to divide this number by least prime number. I want to divide this number by least prime number. Now 576, I want to check 576 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes. If once a place digit is even number, then we can say that number is divisible by 2. Now in the prime factorization method, you have to keep in mind all divisibility rule concept. How to check the given number is divisible by 2 or not. If once place number is coming 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 or even number, we can say that number is divisible by 2. After that, divisibility rule of 3, the sum of all digit is a multiple or divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 4, last two digit. Divisibility rule of 5, if one supply digit is 0 or 5, like that, only you have to check prime number, not composite number. Now I want to check 576 is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, because one supply digit is 6. Now 576 divided by 2, I want to divide. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 5 is there, 1 is remaining. 1 will come before 7, 17. Then 2 8s are 16. Again 17 is there, 1 is remaining. 1 will come before 6, 16. 2 8s are 16. Are you getting my point? How am I doing division here? 2 2s are 4. 1 is remaining. 1, which number is remaining? That number will come before to the number. 7 before 17. 2 8s are 16. Again 1 is remaining. 1 will go before 6, 16. 2 8s are 16. Again we want to check 288 divisible by 2 or not. Yes, ones play digit is 8. Same like LCM concept, but here we want to divide by prime number only. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8. Divisible by 2, yes. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4. Divisible by 2, yes. 2 threes are 6, 1 is remaining. 2 6 are 12. Divide by 2, yes. 2 18 are 36. Divide by 2, yes. 9. Divisible by 2, no. Divisible by 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. You are observing, students, here I have divided by least prime number 2 and 3. Now, after simplification, after factorization, I want to write here 576 is equal to. This will write down only. I don't have space. That's why I'm writing down. 576 is equal to 576 is equal to, I want to write this all factors. 2 how many times are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 how many times? 2 times. Now we have completed our prime factorization. After prime factorization, we are going to find out square root. Square root means I have to mention square root both sides. Square root of 576 is equal to square root of 2 into 2. How many times? 6 times. Into 3 into 3. Firstly, I have completed prime factor. After that, I have taken square root of both sides. Square root of 576 is equal to square root of this complete prime factor. Now, in yesterday's class, I explained if I'm talking about the square root, what is the base of that? Base is 2. Now I want to make pair from the right side. One pair, one more pair, one more pair, one more pair. Now one pair, 2 into 2 is there, one pair will come outside. Means this only 1 2 will come outside, not both 2. This 1 2 has come outside like that. This also will come outside. This also will come outside and this will also come outside. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 is a 4. 4 2 is a 6. Don't say. 2 2 is a 4. 4 2 is a 8. 8 3 is a 24. Answer is equal to 24. Means square root of 576 is equal to 24. Now one student is saying, sir, whatever answer you told, how you believe your answer is right or wrong? I told, okay, you have to believe. How to believe? 24 multiply 2 times. Same answer is coming or not? We can say our answer is also right. Whatever answer we got it, if you multiply 2 times, same value will get, that is our answer is right. Write down clearly everyone. This method is called prime factorization method. But students, where you are doing mistake, you are dividing by big number. Don't divide by largest number. Always will divide by least number. Least prime number, not composite number. Example 2. Find the square root of example 2. Find the square root of find the square root of 625 by prime factorization method. Again, we want to do prime factor. We want to take prime factor of 625. Now 625 is divisible by 2. No. Divisible by 3. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. No. Divisible by 4. No. Divisible by 5. Yes. Start the division. 5 ones are 5. 1 is remaining. 12. 5 twos are 10. 2. 5 5 are 25. Again divide by 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 5 are 25. Again divide by 5. 5 5 are 25. Again divide by 5. 5 ones are 5. 625 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Again taking square root on both sides. Square root of 625 is equal to square root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Again, next step what I will do? We want to take pair from the right side. 2 pair. One pair, second pair. This one pair will come outside. Second pair will come outside. Answer is 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Square root of 625 is equal to 25. We want to check your answer. You can check your answer. 25 into 25 will multiply. Same answer will become. If I want to find out the square root by prime factorization method, firstly I want to take prime factor of that number. After that I want to make 2 pair. Then we can find out the square root of that number. Next, keep heading. Second heading, division method. How to calculate square root by using division method. Yes. Now this division method, everyone stop writing. Division method is very important method. One question I am taking first example. Concentrate everyone. Previous question, whatever I have explained, same question I am taking. Concentrate. Question was there 625. Okay. Listen student very carefully. I want to find out the square root of 625. Square root of 625 by using division method. Listen my word very carefully. I want to find out square root of 625 by using division method. First step. Step 1, we want to make pair from the right side. We want to make pair from the right side, right to left. We want to make pair from the right side. Means right to left we want to make pair. This is I am talking about division method. Concentrate. First step, we want to make pair from the right to left. Right to left, right? 25 is one pair. Now 6 is alone here. 6 is alone here. 6 is alone, leave it. Only simple dot we can keep. 6 is alone means simple dot. I no need to write anything on the single pair. Got it? Simple we can write small, simple, single line, small line. And make pair is big line. First step, what was the first step? I made pair from the right side, right to left, first pair 25, 6 is alone. After that, step 2, I want to draw like that. One line up, one line down. Here I have given some gap. This side also we want to give some gap. Now concentrate. First step, I made pair from the right side. After making pair, I have drawn one line up, second line down. Next, first digit is 6. That is alone. And second pair is 25. First digit is what? 6. Which largest square number I want to take? Listen my word very carefully, Snitika. Which largest square number I want to take? That value will be less than or equal to first digit. Again, listen my word. Which largest square number I want to take? Which largest square number I want to take? That value will be less than or equal to first digit. Digit is 6. Which largest number we want to take? That value will be less than or equal to 6. If I am talking about 2, 2 square is what? 4. If I'm talking about 3, 3 square is, don't say 6. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. This value is greater than 6. Yes. But what I told just now to you, I want to find out largest square number less than or equal to, not greater than. Less than or equal to. I want to find out largest square number less than or equal to, not greater than, less than or equal to. Now first digit is what? If I'm talking about 2, 2 square what will be there? 4. If I'm talking about 3 square, 3 square is 9, but digit is 6. This value we can't take. I want to take 2. Largest square number is 2. Concentrate. Now, this whatever digit I am taking the square number, I want to write 3 place. One place is here. Some gap I want to give. 1, 2 is up. Second 2 is, third 2 is down. Again, I want to draw one line. 3, 2 I have taken. 2 is here. 2 is up and 2 is down. Now, 2 this whatever vertically is there, 2 and 2 I need to add. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay. After that, This 2 into 2, I need to do multiplication. 2 2s are 4. This 4 will write here. 2 2s are 4, right? Are you getting my point? I have taken largest square number is 2. 2 I have written how many places? 3 places. 1 here, down and up. Again, down vertically I have added 2 plus 2, 4, and 2 2s are 4 multiplied. Again, I want to do subtraction here. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. After that, I want to bring down this pair 25. Why I am bringing pair? Because this 25 is coming in the pair form. Yes. Now again I want to check. In this 4, which digit I will multiply less than or equal to 22? In this 4, if I am multiplying 5, 4 5s are 20, less than, okay. If I'm taking 4 into 6, 30. But digit is what? 22. Second one we can't take, we can take only 5. Again, how many places I will write 5? 3 places. 5 is here, 5 is up, 5 is down. Again, plus here, 50. Again, multiplication. Now here we'll multiply this digit. Here we'll multiply this digit. We'll multiply this digit. 45 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. Again, subtraction. 0, 0, 0. Square root of 625 is equal to what is answer? Up is the answer. 25. Same answer we got in the prime factorization or not? This method is called division method. Here also we can check. How we can check our answer is right or wrong? Double of this number is coming, this number. 25 into 250 is coming, our answer is right. Double of that digit is 50. 25 double is 50, our answer is right. I hope this, whatever this I have done, this you'll do in the rough notebook only. Note down example 1. Find the square root of 625 by division method. After that, you can note down this question. Find the square root of 625 by division method. First note down, I will explain again. Always, whatever largest square number I want to take, that number we want to write into 3 places. Note down, still 1 minute is there. This method is very important method, student. Again, I will explain tomorrow. Don't worry. Any decimal number. This is the now like a perfect square number. Sometime imperfect number also will be there. Then decimal number will be there. Then how to find the square root.